Hey everybody, it's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. We've got a super cool truck to check out tonight. Never had one of these before, just got this one in, and it is neat. Late 60s era Ford. I think these would be called a Super Duty. I don't think they call them big jobs anymore, but it's a big job or a Super Duty. I don't know exactly when they switched. But this one was a late 60s era big truck, and it is neat. Somebody's done a lot with this truck, and it's got a ton of potential. This is a run and driving truck. And really, it's in pretty good shape for its age. Somebody restored this truck at one point. It's been sitting outside for a few years, but a lot of this paint, I think, is actually going to buff out. And this truck, I think, would look pretty decent. This thing is going to make somebody a great toy hauler, you know, to move, especially if you're a Mustang guy. This would be a perfect car to haul your Mustangs and your Shelbys around with. Let's take a look at this thing. This is a bigger truck. It does have the bigger tires and wheels on it. I don't know what series this was, probably like an F-800 or something, I'm guessing, but I'm not sure. Like I said, just come in. Just starting to learn about it, need to do a little more research on it, but it's so cool I had to show it to you. But like I said, somebody did a really nice job on this truck at some point in its life. We take a peek up inside of here, and we can see somebody's put different seats in it at some point. This is a gas engine with an automatic in it. It's got the original dash in it. Stewart Warner tack, air gauge, dash pad's cracked up. It will need to be replaced, but the cab looks really nice. We can look at the floors here, look at the steps. Super solid cab. I've even been up underneath this thing, and this just hasn't been patched when it was painted. This is a really nice cab that was really clean before they started on it. Before they turned it in, before it was restored. Another great feature about this truck, this thing has a big aluminum custom bed on it. So like I said, if you need to haul your Shelbys or your Mustangs around, great truck for it. Need something different to pull your camper with, great truck. It's got storage boxes in the sides of it. Aluminum tread plate on the deck. It's got a big hitch in it. The back of the front of the bed goes all the way up around the back of the cab. It's got lights in it. It's got more storage compartments on the back. As you can get a receiver hitch on it. Really nice bed. Somebody spent a lot of time on this thing. Fits the truck great, and it looks great on it. We look at this side of it, same thing. We've got the toolboxes over here on the left side of the truck as well. So you've got extra storage in the sides. Really neat. Somebody really thought this thing out to make this thing usable and fit this truck and look great. Some scratches on the truck over on this side, something rubbed up against. It's going to need a little bit of touch-up paint on it. But overall, a lot of this paint would buff out and look pretty decent. Or like I said, if you wanted to go ahead and redo it, maybe you wanted to make it your own, put your own specific color on it, great truck to do that with. Let's take a peek under the hood. This thing actually has a gas engine in it. It's got a V-8 Ford in it. This truck does have air brakes on it. Compressor and everything is all right here, since this was a bigger truck. And does, like I said, truck runs, does air up, all that stuff's good. May need a little maintenance, but definitely something to work with. So super neat old truck. Like I said, I don't know a ton about it. It literally just got here. But man, this thing is going to be so cool. Somebody's going to make such a great hauler out of this. And you've got such a great start. Like I said, I've been underneath this thing, looked up at the bottom of it, looked at the frame, looked at the bottom of the cab. It's clean, it's solid. It's not all rotted out. It's not all scaly and flaky with surface rust. Just a good old truck that's going to make an awesome project. So like I said, the ideas for this thing are endless, but I can really see this thing going down the road with a couple of Shelbys behind it on the way to your next Shelby convention or Mustang show. But like I said, something different to pull your camper with, something different to pull your race car with, all kinds of potential uses for this thing. But so neat, such a cool truck, such great condition. Really excited to bring it to you. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other hundreds of vehicles we've got on the ground here, be sure to give me a call, 620-786-4428. That number's on the page. giving me that short call so we can have a conversation about your project or exactly what you're looking for a project, year, make, model, body style, things like that. That's information that I need to know if I may or may not have something here that can help you out. So give me that quick phone call. We can have a conversation about this truck or any of the other hundreds of the ones we've got here, and see if we got anything that can help you out. As always, if you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Invite them to come over. Give the page a like to hang out so they can hang out with us. If you're on YouTube, be sure to check out my channel. Everything I've got on is car stuff, old cars, old trucks, memorabilia, car shows, races, museums, things like that. That's what we do here because we love old cars and we love old trucks. So be sure to check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with what we've got going on as we bring more of this cool old iron in. So hope you like the big old Ford truck. I thought it was super awesome. Was super excited to bring it to you. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you soon on the next video.